The Excel Pro here again. Today we're going to cover compound interest and the equations. So this is going to be a good step up. We're going to look at doing equations, and we're going to do it longhand, and we're going to use the built-in function in Excel. So we're going to do it both ways. So if we look at the equation for future value, it's present value. Today we're going to call it $1,000, all right, times 1 times the interest rate squared by the amount of years. All right, so let's quickly just type that in there. So it's present value, all right, and I always like doing it like this, and I'm going to take 1, and I'm going to add the interest rate, and then I'm going to square it by the amount of years. All right, so it's $1,166.40. Now I can also use the built-in function. All right, and if I use the built-in function, it's going to ask me for the rate. All right, and then it's going to ask me for what they call NPV, which is the number of years. The payment type is if you take payments. This is more if you're getting an annuity and you're getting a payment type. We're going to actually leave that blank, and then we're going to do a negative on the principal, and that's due to, again, they're going to be, it's the function's actually looking at like an annuity and taking payments on it, but that should come out to be the exact same number. Well, the problem here that you see is the rate is 8% and it's compounded yearly. Well, a lot of banks and other places compound interest monthly. All right, so if we look at that equation, it is like so. So I can do the same thing again. All right, it's my present value, 1 plus my interest rate divided by my months oops, that needs to be a plus sign. All right, and then it is squared by my months and my years. So what did I do wrong there? Of course, let's go ahead and put a little multiplication sign in there. So you can see the difference between being compounded every year and being compounded monthly is significant, especially if you start taking it over multiple years. Let's do it over a 10-year time period. You can start to see how that actually grows. So again, the Excel Pro here, I am going to go ahead and post this up to the website, www.mytipsforexcel.com. If you got any questions, feel free to contact me.